Hey friends! If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support keeps us bringing you more manufacturing insights. Let's get started. You know how sometimes when you're trying to measure something, like the height of a cake on a fancy shelf or the thickness of a book, you just squint and guess and then realize you're totally off? Well, my first time using a height gauge dial was kind of like that, except way cooler and way less about cake. I was in this workshop, surrounded by all these shiny metal tools that looked like they belonged in a sci-fi movie, and someone handed me this strange gadget. It looked like a tiny ruler with a dial that spun and clicked. I thought, is this some kind of weird speedometer for measuring stuff? Honestly, I was a bit clueless. But then, I saw how it worked. You set it on a flat surface, like a table, and the little arm moves up and down. When you slide it along the thing you want to measure, say, the height of a small metal block, the dial spins and shows you the exact number, kind of like the needle on a speedometer but for height instead of speed. What surprised me was how satisfying that click and spin felt. It's like the tool was whispering, "Hey, I got this." And I realized it was kind of like reading a clock, but instead of telling time, it tells you exactly how tall something is, down to the tiniest bit. No guessing, no squinting. I actually felt like a wizard measuring invisible distances with magic. By the end, I was hooked suddenly. Measuring things wasn't boring or tricky, it was a little adventure, with that dial spinning and clicking as my trusty sidekick. And that, my friend, is how a height gauge dial turned from a mysterious gadget into my favorite measuring buddy. If you enjoyed this clear and easy explanation, be sure to check out our previous video on the micrometer depth, where we walked through how to use it correctly, common challenges, and tips to get highly accurate depth measurements, all in the same straightforward style. You might pick up something new to sharpen your skills even further.